Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Situated 54.6 million kilometers from Earth, Mars has fascinated humanity for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the complexities of this enigmatic world and the bold efforts to unlock its secrets. Mars, named after the Roman god of war, stands out with its distinctive reddish hue, the result of iron oxide, rust, on its surface. But this captivating color is just the beginning. Mars is home to some of the most remarkable geological features in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, towers nearly 22 kilometers high. It is a shield volcano characterized by its broad, gently sloping sides formed by the slow accumulation of volcanic lava. Its sheer size is a testament to Mars' volcanic history and geological activity. Valles Marineris, a colossal canyon system stretching over 4,000 kilometers, is another marvel. This vast chasm dwarfs Earth's Grand Canyon, revealing the immense tectonic forces that shaped Mars. The canyon's depths and lengths suggest a planet once more geologically active. Mars has polar ice caps composed of water ice and carbon dioxide. The northern cap, known as Planum boreum, and the southern cap, known as Planum austral, grow and recede with the changing seasons. These ice caps provide crucial insights into the Martian climate and seasonal cycles. Mars's thin atmosphere, with a pressure less than 1% of Earth's, contributes to its extreme temperatures and weather patterns. The planet experiences wide temperature variations, from 195 degrees Fahrenheit, 125 degrees Celsius, at the poles during winter to up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, at the equator in summer. Dust storms are a significant weather phenomenon on Mars. These storms can cover the entire planet and last for months. The fine abrasive dust can pose challenges for rovers and equipment, as well as impact our understanding of Martian climate dynamics. Evidence suggests that Mars once had liquid water on its surface. Ancient riverbeds, lake sediments, and delta formations indicate a more temperate past. The discovery of clays and sulfates, minerals that form in water, supports the hypothesis that Mars may have once had habitable conditions. The Curiosity rover, which landed on Mars in 2012, has been a pioneer in uncovering evidence of Mars's watery past. Its mission has provided crucial data on the planet's geology, detecting complex organic molecules and chemical ingredients necessary for life. The Perseverance rover, which landed in 2021, is tasked with exploring the Jezero crater. This ancient lakebed is a key site for finding signs of past microbial life. Perseverance is also testing new technologies, such as the MOXIE experiment, which aims to produce oxygen from Martian carbon dioxide. The search for life on Mars is one of the most exciting scientific pursuits. While no direct evidence of life has been found, the potential for past microbial life remains a significant focus. The discovery of organic molecules and methane in the atmosphere, coupled with the presence of water, keeps the question of life on Mars open. Our goal is to identify biosignatures that could indicate past life. We're looking at every piece of evidence, from chemical compositions to the search for organic molecules. Understanding the history of water on Mars is crucial. If life ever existed, it would have left behind clues in the rock formations and soil. Exploring Mars involves overcoming significant engineering challenges. The harsh environment requires advanced technology to ensure the success of missions and the safety of future astronauts. Innovations such as in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, are crucial. Technologies that can extract water from the Martian soil and produce oxygen and fuel are being developed to support long-term human missions. Mars habitats are also being designed to withstand the planet's extreme conditions and provide a safe living environment for astronauts. The exploration of Mars is a collaborative effort involving space agencies from around the world. NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, and CNSA are working together on missions and research, sharing data and resources to advance our understanding of the Red Planet. Our collaboration on the ExoMars mission aims to identify potential biosignatures and understand Mars's geology. Working together amplifies our research capabilities. International partnerships are essential for Mars exploration. Combining expertise and resources accelerates our progress and enhances mission success. Private companies are playing an increasingly important role in Mars exploration. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, aims to revolutionize space travel with the development of the Starship spacecraft, designed for interplanetary missions. SpaceX's ambitious goal is to establish a human settlement on Mars, paving the way for future colonization. Their advancements in rocket technology and reusable spacecraft are critical to reducing the cost of interplanetary travel and making Mars exploration more feasible. The vision of colonizing Mars involves several key considerations: creating self-sustaining habitats, developing agriculture in Martian soil, and ensuring life support systems are just a few of the challenges. Concepts for dome cities, greenhouse farms, and advanced resource utilization are being explored to make human life on Mars possible. As we explore and potentially colonize Mars, we must consider the ethical implications. This includes the preservation of potential Martian ecosystems and the impact of human activities on the planet. We must also address the moral responsibility of ensuring that our exploration does not cause harm to any potential life forms or future environments on Mars. Mars exploration is not just about discovering another world. It's about expanding our understanding of our place in the universe. As we push the boundaries of exploration, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all life and the shared quest for knowledge that drives us. As we look to the future, Mars stands as a symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity. The journey to explore this distant world is just beginning, and the Red Planet beckons us to continue our quest for discovery. The adventure is only just beginning, and together we will unlock the mysteries of the Red Planet.